Although he's a good player. Babar Azam.
Well deserved wicket for Nazim Shah.
Oh, that's well timed. That is really well timed. Question you don't have to tell us you're asking.
I'm making sure you're listening.
Getting bowl against Bangladesh.
Feeling sure it's the only way to make friendships grow, but I'm too afraid now.
Just sneaks through Babar Azam, gets his crowd on their feet. And what a shame, heartbreak for Carey. It is the part-time spin of Babar Azam that stops him just short of a maiden Test century. He's going to track on, he tries to get the strike. The last ball in the over.
The sweep shot. The shot is played well all brings about his downfall as well.
Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Every single day, mine's so powerful. I don't need batteries today. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today.
Overdone. Australia 319 for 5.